Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to delete archive story in Instagram. So at first open your Instagram and click here on the profile picture. Now click here on the three line and here you can see the archive option. Just click here. Now click on the particular photos or videos you want to delete from the stories archive. You can also delete post archive, live archive, anyone. Any of the three you want to delete, you can do it by selecting each and every one. Now click on any of the photos or videos, whatever archived in your stories archive. I will click on this story. Now click here on the more button. Now from this list, click on the delete. Now here you can see it is telling you that you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted in your activity. After that it will be permanently deleted. Now we will click on delete button. It will be deleting. Now you can see it is already deleted. Now I will again delete this one. So click on delete. Now again click on delete. You can see this story is already deleted. I hope this video worked for you and it helped you. If you like this tutorial, then please like our video. Thanks for watching.